We're with Paul from Paragon Precision Products in Milton Keynes. Now, you're huge fans of Citizen Miano. How many machines have you got, first of all?
We have 8 Citizen lathes and we have 3 Miano lathes.
Okay, so 8 sliding head, 3 fixed head.
Absolutely.
Okay, now we're showcasing this machine here, which is the BNJ-51SY6. Thank you, get that right. Why have you bought it?
We bought it because it's a quality machine. You know, we talked about it earlier about the fact why would we choose this over another manufacturer. It's because of the name. The name says it all for us. We've had machines before from Miano. They're very solid, very fast, very efficient, fast processing times. And this particular machine over our older BNJ is demonstrating at least 15 to 20% increases in efficiency and faster cycle times.
Okay, when you say increased efficiency and faster cycle times, you alluded that it's not actually, the rapids are fantastic, but
Absolutely.
it's a processing,
It's
so
the
the control.
Processing time, the FANUC control is fantastic as well.
Yeah.
The rapids are slightly faster, but it's really about the processing times. We were astounded at how efficient this was, putting like-for-like parts, exactly the same program, but we were seeing 15 to 20% more efficiencies in cycle time, so reductions.
Impressive stuff. Now this machine, I don't want to go too much into specification, but turrets, spindles.
Well, we've got, it's a twin spindle machine, twin turret machine, 12 station turret on the front, all stations can be driven. The sub-spindle turret has 8 stations, 4 can be driven.
Okay, so that gives a lot of flexibility.
Yes.
Can you machine more than one face at a time, 2 faces?
Yeah, it's a very compact machine, very efficient at machining, simultaneous machining from mains to sub-spindle as well.
Okay, now also, great looking machine shop here.
Thank you.
A lot of machines in here, so I think footprint is key to the...
It is, yeah. We're not a massive outfit. We're a medium family-sized business. But yeah, so footprint is important. This is a very compact machine. It's a 2-inch machine, so we can run 2-inch bar on the main. We can run 43.5 on the sub. It's just a very tight, compact machine.
Yeah. And when you purchased this machine, it wasn't just a case of getting a machine. It was a whole solution from bar feed through to the, you know, the swarf actuation.
The reason we buy from Citizen, there's a handhold involved. You know, they hold your hands right from the start of talking about inquiry, getting the price, talking about the logistics of implementing the delivery, and they're just a very, very professional outfit.
Excellent, so the whole solution. Now also you mentioned sort of processing time controls, but also programming the actual components. What do you use for that?
We use the Alcart Pro Wizard. Again, very, very good system. Citizen provide that. It's really an excellent tool for people that are learning about. So if you've got a young apprentice or someone new coming into engineering, which we're all passionate about, you know, we bring those on board with the Alcart Pro. The more skilled engineers that we have don't necessarily need all of the tools and attributes that can offer, but we do still use that for just picking out little bits of information that they still need to, you know, glean away from that particular bit of kit.
So another part of the whole package?
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, what I want to see now is put you to test, see what you're making. So you've got a couple of parts you're going to showcase for us.
I have, yes. I've got a part here. This is an aircraft connector. It's a nut that we're making out of aluminium. It's not a particularly complex part. We've got a batch of 15 to 20,000 of these we're making, so it's a nice run. Those aren't very often coming around. You know, it's a rare beast, but it's got a wire locking hole through the side. It's got a thread involved in it, and this is 15% faster on this machine than it was on the old BNJ.
Okay, so and when you're doing batch run of 15, 20,000, that's a big difference.
It's critical, and we're running lights out as well. So, you know, on this particular part, we're running at least 400 of an evening. You know, work handling is important as well. We're very particular about the work handling as well. So yes, we manage the part as it comes off the machine, and it enables us, with the efficiency in the machine, to be able to run 400 a night at least.
Okay, so you've got that peace of mind from the whole package.
We can go to bed at night not worrying about what we're going to find in the morning.
Okay. Now you had another component as well,
I have. This is a more complex part and really demonstrates what this machine can do. Again, this is a connector part. We have, as you can see, we have teeth which are polygon milled on this machine. There's some software that Citizen supply in line with FANUC software as well, and it mills those teeth in a fraction of the time it would have taken conventionally to mill it on the same machine. Very, very efficient. As you can see, the quality is very high, and it's a job, again, we can run at night. We make these in stainless steel as well, in different grades of stainless, and again, we're seeing 20%, 15, 20% reductions in cycle time.
Brilliant. So a great example of how you're utilising the machine, the whole solution. Quick summary of why you like the Citizen Mianos.
I like the brand. I feel comfortable with the brand. When I'm ordering from them, I know I'm going to get looked after. And it's about that whole, I feel like I'm part of their team. You're not just a number. It's about that personal approach to the sale.
Excellent. Paul, thank you very much.
Thank you.